This is the Cabinet Guy. Today we're going to demonstrate how to install a piece of hardware. We're going with these knobs here, so we'll only need one hole. Typically we go center here, and then you can decide where you want to go there. Today we're going to do 3 inches down, which is a bit of a standard industry. And then half of that's about 1 1/4. And then what I like to do, whenever I have 2 lines that intersect and I need to drill a hole, is I will use my spring-loaded nail set to get a hole started. Once you get that done, get a 3/16 bit. Make sure you drill nice and straight. After you get your hole drilled, you take this screw, which should come with your hardware. I like to use a small drill with a Phillips bit in it, but you can use a screwdriver, and then you just hold that, get it started. Make sure it's lined up with the style of the door. If it is, go ahead and drive it home. I'll do one here and that'll be it. Got a link in the description for that spring-loaded nail set if you'd like to get a hold of one. This is the Cabinet Guy.